So the Prophet Abraham was instructed to sacrifice his son. He told his son, according to the Quranic scripture, obviously I'm speaking about the Muslim narrative, he told his son, "Oh my son, I've been instructed through a dream to actually sacrifice you. What do I do?" His son says, "Well, do as you're told, because the Almighty will never let us down." And so he then was it's known that he took his son and he was about to enact what the Almighty had instructed him when the Almighty replaced that son with a ram from heaven. Now, the Prophet Abraham and his sacrifice, his life, is celebrated by the Muslims in a great way. ul-Adha actually lasts for 3 days. So that Eid, wherein which we're meant to reach out to the poor again with meat, with food stuff, with something to eat, with something to celebrate with. We're meant to be reaching out to the poor. And that's why the Almighty says, divide your sacrifice into 3. A third you can eat from. A third give your family and friends. And a third dedicate it to the poor. That's an amazing Islamic teaching.